What if I told you that your morning routine could be quietly stealing the strength from your legs, leaving you more vulnerable to weakness, unsteadiness, and even devastating falls? For men and women over 60, this is not just a possibility, but a silent epidemic. Every day, so many seniors begin with nothing but coffee or a piece of toast, not realizing that what's missing is the very thing keeping them grounded, independent, and able to do the things they love. Let me paint a picture. You wake up, stretch, and prepare to start your day, only to notice that the simple act of standing up feels harder. Your knees ache, your calves feel flimsy, and there's a slight wobble in your step. Maybe you need to steady yourself on the counter, or you hesitate before taking the stairs. Do you shrug and blame aging? If so, you are not alone. But research suggests these changes are more than just getting older. According to the Mayo Clinic and the Cleveland Clinic, the real problem often comes down to not giving your muscles the proper morning fuel they desperately need. I've seen it firsthand in dozens of seniors who say, "Doctor, I feel like my legs just aren't what they used to be." It's not just discomfort, it's a daily anxiety. Are you next to take a tumble? To lose the independence you cherish? If this sounds like you, what if I said it could all start changing with your first meal tomorrow? Now ask yourself, what are you really fueling your body with each morning? Could you be missing a single, surprisingly simple breakfast upgrade that protects your muscles and gives you back your power? In one study, researchers observed that regular breakfast habits high in quality protein, minerals, and slow-release carbohydrates were directly linked to stronger legs, fewer falls, and greater independence in adults over 60. Not pills, not miracle diets. The right natural foods. I'll show you exactly what those are, how they fit into your favorite breakfast routine, and why every bite can help you regain the confidence and strength to walk, play, and live as you want. Let me share a micro story. Judith, age 71, who loved gardening, but found herself nearly falling as she bent to reach her tools, changed just one part of her breakfast. In under 2 months, she felt steadier than she had in years. What was her secret? You'll find out in just a moment. If you've ever wondered why your legs feel weaker, or you quietly dread the thought of losing your independence, this video is for you. Now, are you ready to find out what's missing from your mornings? This video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. Let me share the very first, most powerful food you can add to your morning. Whole eggs. For too long, eggs were unfairly blamed for raising cholesterol. Seniors especially were warned to avoid them, and millions skipped out on one of nature's most complete foods. Today, research from Harvard and the Mayo Clinic supports the remarkable benefits of eggs for muscle health and senior independence. Think of an egg as a compact muscle repair kit. Inside each egg are all 9 essential amino acids, nutrients your body cannot produce on its own. The standout is leucine, an amino acid that acts as the engine starter for muscle repair and rebuilding. This is critical because after age 60, your body enters a stage known as anabolic resistance. In simpler terms, your muscles become harder to maintain with the same amount of protein you've always eaten. You need higher quality sources, just like eggs provide. Let's remember Mr. Johnson, a 72-year-old who'd lost confidence even walking across his kitchen. Breakfast, for him, was just coffee and toast. We made a small change. 2 whole eggs each morning. Sometimes he boiled them, sometimes scrambled gently in olive oil. After only 8 weeks, his walking stability improved by leaps and bounds. He told me, "I hardly ever need to grab the counter to steady myself now. I get up and just go." I never thought breakfast could do that. It's not just protein that makes eggs irreplaceable. The yolk is a storehouse of nutrients vital for seniors: vitamin D to fuel muscle and bone health, vitamin B12 for nerve signals that keep your feet responsive, choline for brain-muscle communication, and heme iron for robust blood flow. I ask my patients, would you leave out the steering wheel from your car? Skipping the yolks is the same. A couple of eggs within an hour of waking is one of the most affordable investments in your strength and independence. Unlike gym memberships or fancy powders, eggs are familiar and easy to fix. They're also infinitely flexible. Try them boiled, poached, or gently scrambled. Having started your day with the strength of whole eggs, there's an equally important question. How do you make that newfound energy last? Why do so many people feel an energy crash by 10 a.m. even after a nutritious breakfast? The answer lies in your body's blood sugar response. Which brings us to the next breakfast game changer: oatmeal with chia seeds. If your mornings often feel heavy, your legs stiff, walking to the living room an effort, it might be your blood sugar at fault. With age, your body becomes more sensitive to the spikes and crashes brought on by processed breakfasts. White toast, sugary cereals, or even some comfort pastries can provide a quick lift, followed by an energy cliff that leaves your muscles drained and unable to repair. Let's look at oatmeal, specifically steel-cut or rolled oats. Within these humble grains is a substance called beta-glucan, a soluble fiber that helps smooth out digestion. Instead of a sugar spike, you get a slow, even release of energy, which your muscles use to repair and refuel. I recall Mrs. Ramirez, a 68-year-old grandmother who longed to join her grandkids in the park, but would tire out before the games even began. She swapped out her sugary instant cereal for a bowl of plain steel-cut oats, then sprinkled in a tablespoon of chia seeds. A few weeks later, she was on the swings and laughing along, her energy steady, her cramps gone. The secret: chia seeds swell in liquid, forming a gentle gel that helps maintain hydration and delivers crucial minerals: magnesium relaxing stiff muscles, potassium for muscle contraction, calcium bone strength, and omega-3s reducing inflammation. Pairing oatmeal with chia isn't just about energy and protein, it's about protecting your muscles from the inside. All morning long, blueberries, banana slices, or a handful of walnuts can add flavor and micronutrients without sending your blood sugar soaring. Now imagine this. You're sitting at this breakfast table, spooning oats and chia, while the sun rises, and you realize you feel clearer, steadier, ready to take on the day. But even with these improvements, there's one simple fruit that can address leg cramps and unsteady steps: the banana. If you've been jolted awake by a leg cramp in the night, or paused at the edge of your bed waiting for your legs to quit shaking, you might be short on potassium. Bananas are the anti-cramp champion you need. In one study, researchers found that over 60% of older adults in the United States fall short on daily potassium intake. This single mineral acts as a master switch for muscle contraction, fluid balance, and nerve signals. When you're low, your muscles cramp, twitch, and feel unreliable. Mr. Thompson, age 70, was haunted by nighttime leg cramps and the fear they'd cause a fall in the dark. He avoided bananas, thinking they'd spike his sugar. Together, we agreed he'd start each morning with half a banana sliced over his overnight oats. Within weeks, his cramps faded, and he regained confidence, moving about his home no longer bracing for pain with every step. Bananas are best paired with protein or healthy fat, a scoop of Greek yogurt, a handful of nuts, or swirled into your oatmeal. This keeps blood sugar steady, while potassium does its quiet work soothing your muscles. For those monitoring glucose, choose slightly underripe bananas. They have more resistant starch and minimize sugar spikes. It's easy to overlook something so familiar, but one banana each morning may offer the leg-calming, muscle-supporting power missing from so many senior diets. Have you ever noticed how quickly a cramp settles after eating a banana? That's potassium at work. Now, while bananas keep muscles calm and supported, you're probably wondering what food protects your bone strength and gut health. Two pillars that keep you standing strong and steady. Enter Greek yogurt, the protein powerhouse that does so much more than just fill you up. Greek yogurt differs from regular yogurt by being strained to remove extra liquid, packing almost double the protein per spoonful. This means your muscles get not only a quick dose of repair-supporting amino acids, but also a steady supply from slow-digesting casein protein, helping prevent muscle breakdown as your body wakes from overnight fast. I worked with Mrs. Carter, 74, who felt fragile after a minor fall in her garden. Afraid of losing her independence, she asked for something simple she could do to stay strong. One serving of plain Greek yogurt, topped with berries and cinnamon, became her daily habit. In just a few months, her balance improved. Digestion was smoother, and she was gardening with renewed confidence. Research suggests that Greek yogurt's combination of calcium and vitamin D directly supports both muscle function and bone density. A critical duo since weak muscles often go hand in hand with weakening bones in older adults. Add in the probiotics from Greek yogurt, which nurture gut health and help the body absorb crucial minerals. And you have a food that's simple to enjoy but powerful in effect. Greek yogurt is as adaptable as it is nourishing. Mix it with fruit, a swirl of honey, or even a few nuts. It doesn't require fancy preparation and can be store-bought or homemade. The creamy taste may even bring back fond memories of childhood breakfasts, proving that healthy changes don't have to be unfamiliar or difficult. With protein-rich eggs, steady energy oats and chia, leg-calming bananas, and bone-supporting Greek yogurt on your side, you've already transformed your breakfast into something truly protective. But what about a breakfast idea even most nutrition experts skip? A vegetable that hides in plain sight, but can mean the difference between weakness and vigor. Let's talk about the humble sweet potato, steamed and sprinkled with mineral salt. Sweet potatoes are often associated with winter feasts, but for the over 60 crowd, they're an ideal breakfast food. Unlike white bread or processed cereals that spike blood sugar and leave you drained, sweet potatoes serve up complex carbohydrates that release energy gradually, fueling your muscles as the morning unfolds. The real secret is the cocktail of nutrients inside it. Potassium to keep cramps at bay, magnesium to ease tension and support nerves, vitamin C to fight inflammation and keep blood vessels strong. I remember Mr. Paris, 69, who started his days with plain toast and jam, yet always felt heavy and slow. We swapped his toast for half a steamed sweet potato dusted with Celtic mineral salt. The difference? He reported lighter steps, easier walks with his dog, and a bounce of energy that carried him past noon. Mineral salt brings its own quiet help. Unlike typical table salt, mineral salts like Himalayan or Celtic provide traces of magnesium, calcium, and zinc elements that act as conductors for your muscles and keep you hydrated. This is no small thing. Most older adults wake up slightly dehydrated, making muscle fatigue and weakness worse. A sprinkle of quality mineral salt on steamed sweet potato turns breakfast into a gentle, electrolyte-rich boost. Picture it. Instead of another dry slice of toast, you begin your day with a warm, colorful bite of sweet potato, brimming with nutrients that set you up for strength and resilience. As we step back and view these 5 foods together, whole eggs, oatmeal with chia seeds, bananas, Greek yogurt, and sweet potatoes, a clear pattern emerges. These are not fancy, expensive, or strange choices. They're wholesome, affordable, and easy to prepare. They work in harmony, supporting your muscles, bones, nerves, and energy with every bite. It's the teamwork behind these foods that no single supplement can match. Let's imagine a typical senior morning. You rise, shake off the stiffness, and instead of only coffee or toast, you plate up 2 eggs, a bowl of oatmeal and chia. Add banana or berries, a serving of Greek yogurt, and for a twist, half a steamed sweet potato. Imagine the difference in your confidence as you stand, how steady your legs feel, and the peace of mind as you walk outside or chase a grandchild through the yard. Every one of these foods is like adding another support beam to the bridge of your independence. Would you rather trust a wobbly bridge or one that's been built strong each morning? Growing older doesn't mean giving up your mobility, freedom, or zest for life. Too many people believe weakness and unsteady steps are inevitable, when the real key may be as close as your breakfast table. Research from the Cleveland Clinic and NIH confirms consistent breakfast habits high in quality proteins and minerals are linked with better balance, stronger legs, and more years lived independently. You don't have to change your entire lifestyle overnight. Start with one small upgrade, maybe eggs 1 week, oats and chia the next. See how you feel. Track your steps, your energy, even your mood. Share your journey. These changes are simple, but their effect can be transformational. I hope these practical tips inspire you to reclaim your mornings. If you've already tried any of these foods and noticed a change, Share your story in the comments, it just might inspire someone else. And if you're feeling tired, worried about balance, or unsure about the future, consider this channel your community. We're here to support one another with science-backed tips and everyday wisdom. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips on living a healthy and vibrant life after 50 vow. And check out our next video on reversing insulin resistance to go even deeper. If you've ever felt tired or struggled with bloating after 50 bouts, this channel is for you. Thank you for watching. Here's to waking up strong and living life on your own terms.